welcome to the Explainer. So, you know the crypto market, right? You follow the trends, you watch the charts, but taking that actual final step to buy in, that can honestly feel like standing at the absolute edge of a digital canyon. Well, today, we are building your bridge right across it.
Okay, let's dive into this. Because if you're ready to make your move, but you're just totally paralyzed by the thousands of different platforms out there, well, you're in exactly the right place. The most critical decision in your crypto journey really isn't what you buy, it's where you buy. So let's find the absolute perfect platform for your digital assets.
Here is our roadmap for today. First, entering the digital canyon. Second, pillars of top exchanges. Third, meet the heavy hitters. And finally, choosing your perfect platform.
Section 1. Entering the digital canyon. Demystifying the basics.
So, what actually is a cryptocurrency exchange? It's simply your bridge between traditional and decentralized finance. Think of it just like a stock brokerage for digital coins. The only difference, it operates 24/7, 365 days a year. No closing bell here.
Now watch out for this, because it's a massive trap a lot of new investors fall right into. You look up top exchanges and you get these dynamic lists based purely on raw trading volume. But here's the catch. The exchange sitting at number 1? It might be packed with super complex 100x leverage derivative tools. And honestly, that is practically guaranteed to wreck a beginner's portfolio. You really want to aim for simplicity and usability, not just raw volume.
Section 2. Pillars of top exchanges. Building a safe foundation.
The very first pillar, bank-grade security. This is absolutely non-negotiable. You want a platform using offline cold storage, meaning the vast majority of user funds are kept entirely off the internet, safe from hackers. Add in mandatory two-factor authentication and massive safety insurance funds, and you've got yourself a rock-solid base.
Moving on to the second pillar, deep liquidity. And this brilliantly illustrates a key market mechanic. Deep liquidity basically just means there's a massive active pool of buyers and sellers jumping in at all times. Why should you care? Well, it ensures that when you hit buy, your trade executes instantly without price slippage. Slippage is what happens on a low-volume platform when the price suddenly and violently whipsaws against you mid-trade. Deep liquidity totally prevents that.
Our third pillar is transparent fees. Look, exchanges are businesses, right? They're going to make their cut on percentages. But top-tier platforms treat this like a partnership. They give you complete upfront disclosure of their maker and taker rates, plus all deposit and withdrawal costs. If they try to hide that fee structure in the fine print, just walk away. That's an immediate red flag.
And the fourth pillar, a usable interface. Let me just be blunt here. If you open up an app and it looks like the control panel of a space shuttle, it's the wrong choice for a beginner. Good platforms have a clean, intuitive design, and they'll often feature a light or beginner mode specifically built to keep you from making costly navigation mistakes.
So, put all these together, and you've got your ultimate beginner shield. Bank-grade security, deep liquidity, transparent fees, and a usable interface. Together, they create a serious protective barrier. Any platform you're considering absolutely needs to pass the test on all 4 of these pillars before you deposit a single cent.
Section 3. Meet the heavy hitters, finding your superpower.
Now, what's really interesting about this breakdown is focusing on the specific strategic advantages of these massive titans. Take Binance. It's the undisputed king of volume. It has this huge ecosystem, but crucially, it offers a really simplified, light version. Then you've got Bybit, known for an incredibly smooth, lag-free interface. It's perfect if you want a platform you can seamlessly grow into. And rounding out the titans is HTX, which is the go-to for seasoned traders because of its battle-tested stability and long-proven track record.
Next up, we have the altcoin hunters. These platforms are built for more specific, aggressive strategies. KuCoin, for instance, is widely known as the People's Exchange. It's basically the premier destination if you're looking to uncover hidden altcoin gems before they hit the major markets. Then there's MEXC. If you're an active trader, their frequent zero fees on spot trading give you a massive strategic edge. And Poloniex offers straightforward, legacy reliability. No distracting visual clutter whatsoever.
Finally, let's look at the innovators. BingX is super fascinating because it specializes in social copy trading. Basically, you can automatically mirror the trades of vetted, highly successful investors. It is an amazing educational tool. PrimeXBT bridges the gap completely, letting you trade crypto right alongside traditional assets from one single dashboard.
Exness steps it up with ultra-low spreads and zero commissions, and Icy Markets offers institutional-grade liquidity, plus they're currently running a massive promotional deposit bonus to actually double your trading capital.
Section 4. Choosing your perfect platform. The action plan.
All right, here is your practical 3-step checklist. Step 1. Check geographic availability. This is absolutely vital to make sure you don't end up with a frozen account. Step 2. Identify your strategy. Are you just buying and holding, or are you day trading? Your specific strategy dictates the platform you need. And step 3, test drive the app. Seriously, do this today. Go download 2 or 3 apps right now. Click around, explore the menus without depositing a dime. If the interface frustrates you, just delete it. Move on.
So the crucial point here is there really is no single perfect platform. In fact, tons of experienced investors maintain accounts across multiple exchanges. They might use Binance for their big, secure purchases, KuCoin for hunting down new projects, and BingX to learn the ropes through copy trading. It's all about matching the exchange to your specific investing goal.
Ultimately, the absolute best exchange is the one that perfectly aligns with your own comfort level, your location, and your personal financial goals. Take your time with this, prioritize security, and please, remember to never invest more than you can realistically afford to lose. You see, the digital canyon really isn't so scary once you have a map. The real question is, now that you know exactly how to build a fortress around your assets, which superpower are you going to claim first?